We'll guide you through how to use Printify on Etsy so you can seamlessly integrate print-on-demand services into your online shop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Etsy website. Log in to your Etsy account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to your Shop Manager dashboard here. You need to click on the Settings option on the left-hand menu. And from the drop-down, select Integrations. This is where you'll connect Printify to your Etsy shop. Now open a new tab and go to the Printify website. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for one. After logging in, navigate to the Manage My Stores section in your Printify dashboard. Click on Connect Store and choose Etsy from the list of available platforms. Follow the prompts to authorize a connection between Printify and Etsy. Once connected, you can start creating products on Printify. Go to the Catalog section on Printify and select a product that you want to sell. Customize the design using Printify's design tools, and when you're satisfied, click on Save Product. Now you need to publish this product to your Etsy store. Go to My Products in Printify, find the product you've just created, and click on Add to Store. Choose your Etsy shop and set your product details like title, description, and pricing. Make sure everything is correct, then hit Publish. Your product will now appear in your Etsy store, ready for customers to purchase. This integration allows for seamless order fulfillment, as Printify will handle the printing and shipping once an order is placed on Etsy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.